Alright guys, I'm doing a review on this Yuik cashews. These are, which were on sale for Black Friday, so they were about like 15 bucks for this whole bag, so it's actually a really good deal, I thought. So let's do a quick taste test. Oh, and if you guys want to read the back, there it is. Pause the video. So, catch cashews, and let's do this. So these are the raw type, they're not roasted, so they're good. They're pretty big. Good, sweet tasting. Yeah, definitely check it out, guys. If you have any questions, comments, put some below, subscribe to the channel. Because they're not roasted, they are just, they don't have a crunch to it too much. And they are just more on sweet side. I find these are good, but the salted ones are a little bit better, I think.